Christmas Day 2018. Merry Christmas, everyone. Just a quick thought. Past few days I've been thinking about nature connection and the social media promotion of nature connection. What is the right balance? I've often said to people that I play this game at like 50-50. So, an interesting question. What is the right balance? Reborn Feral on Instagram doing all these fantastic stories, great promotion, great connection. Annabelle O'Neill with all their Instagram stuff and YouTube, great for the young generation, great connection, great promotion. What do you think the right balance is, and do you love this fantastic tree Christmas hat I've been made today? My favourite Christmas presents of all time for my daughter Layla. Love it. Have a great day.